Welcome back to Trend AI Tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the future with 12 emerging AI technologies that are set to change our world forever. From healthcare to transportation, entertainment to, believe it or not, climate change, AI is poised to revolutionize pretty much everything. We're going to unpack how these technologies work, explore their potential impact, and honestly, just geek out a little bit about what the future holds. So buckle up, because things are about to get really interesting. Let's get started.
We're kicking things off with healthcare because who doesn't want to live longer and healthier lives, right? AI is already making waves in this field, and it's only getting started. Imagine a world where algorithms can diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, often before symptoms even appear. We're talking about AI analyzing medical images, crunching massive data sets of patient information to identify patterns and predict potential health risks, and even personalizing treatment plans based on an individual's unique genetic makeup. It's like having a super-powered medical expert in your pocket 24/7.
Next up, we're jumping into the driver's seat of the future literally with autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars have been a tech dream for decades, and thanks to AI, that dream is becoming a reality. We're talking about cars that can navigate complex environments, make split-second decisions to avoid accidents, and even communicate with each other to optimize traffic flow. This tech has the potential to make our roads safer, reduce traffic congestion, and even change the way we design our cities.
Okay, let's talk education. Remember those days of one-size-fits-all classrooms where everyone learned at the same pace? Yeah, AI is about to change that. We're talking personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's strengths and weaknesses. Imagine AI tutors that can adapt to your learning style, provide instant feedback, and identify areas where you need extra help. This tech has the potential to make education more engaging, effective, and accessible to everyone.
Let's be real, managing finances can be a bit of a headache. But what if AI could take some of that stress away? From detecting fraudulent transactions in real time to providing personalized financial advice, AI is already transforming the finance industry. We're talking algorithms that can analyze market trends, assess risk, and even help you plan for retirement. With AI on your side, you can feel more confident and empowered when it comes to your financial well-being.
Ever get stuck on hold with customer service for what feels like an eternity? AI is here to save the day. We're talking about AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants that can answer your questions, resolve issues, and provide support around the clock. This tech is not only efficient, but it also frees up human agents to focus on more complex tasks. So the next time you need help, don't be surprised if you find yourself chatting with a friendly AI.
AI is even changing the way we grow our food. Imagine drones scanning fields to identify crops that need water or fertilizer, or AI-powered systems predicting the optimal time to harvest for maximum yield. This tech has the potential to make agriculture more efficient, sustainable, and resilient in the face of climate change. So basically, AI is helping to put food on our tables in a smarter way.
In a world increasingly reliant on technology, cybersecurity is more important than ever. That's where AI comes in. We're talking about AI systems that can detect and respond to cyber threats in real time, identify vulnerabilities before hackers can exploit them, and even predict future attack patterns. This tech is like having a digital guardian angel, protecting our data and privacy in an increasingly interconnected world.
All right, time for some fun. AI is also transforming the entertainment industry in some pretty cool ways. We're talking about AI-powered recommendation systems that suggest movies, music, and games you'll actually enjoy. But it goes even deeper than that. AI is being used to create realistic special effects, compose music, and even write scripts. So the next time you're blown away by a movie or TV show, AI might be behind the magic.
Manufacturing is another industry being revolutionized by AI. We're talking about smart factories where robots and machines work alongside humans, performing tasks with incredible precision and efficiency. AI is also being used for predictive maintenance, identifying potential equipment failures before they happen, which reduces downtime and saves money. The future of manufacturing is smart, automated, and powered by AI.
Remember those days of wandering aimlessly through a store, hoping to find what you need? AI is about to make that a thing of the past. We're talking about personalized shopping experiences, where AI algorithms analyze your browsing history and purchase behavior to recommend products you'll actually love. And it's not just online shopping. AI is also being used in physical stores to optimize inventory management, personalize displays, and even provide real-time customer support.
Imagine a home that anticipates your needs, adjusts the temperature before you even realize you're cold, and plays your favorite music as soon as you walk in the door. That's the promise of AI-powered smart homes. From smart assistants that control your appliances to security systems that can recognize your face, AI is making our homes more comfortable, convenient, and secure. The future of living is smart, connected, and personalized.
We're wrapping things up with arguably the biggest challenge facing humanity: climate change. But here's the good news. AI is a powerful tool in the fight for our planet. We're talking about AI being used to analyze climate data, predict extreme weather events, and develop strategies to reduce our environmental impact. From optimizing energy consumption to developing renewable energy sources, AI is helping us create a more sustainable future.
That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of AI, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. We've only scratched the surface of what AI is capable of, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Remember, technology is a powerful tool, and by understanding its potential, we can shape a better future for everyone. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.